Sec, ano pong masasabi niyo sa nangyaring gitgitan kanina habang papasok po yung grade 18?
Palabas ka ako eh.
Sir, is it your intention to block the
I was on my way out.
18 Marine, sir?
Especially Senator Pia, nagrereklamo po siya, Senator Robin, kasi hinaharang niyo po.
Hindi nga, palabagisa ka lang ako, di ba?
Opo.
I didn't have anybody with me. Palabas na ako eh. Just checked up, just bigla na lang a whole gang went up on me. I didn't have any security with me, nothing. So it wasn't, I wasn't trying to block, I couldn't have blocked them alone.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Dito siya, Secretary Jorge Pirulia, at Philippine Marines na kasama sa guest sa Law for the Blue Ribbon Committee at isinama sila ni Senator Pia Cayetano. Up! Ay, oh my God! Senator, at dito siya, Secretary John Vic Remulla at pinipigil sila Senator Robin Padilla. Oh my God!